We all want to develop one habit, a habit which will ultimately, like, if we are able to do it every time, every day, and if it is, the right kind of habit, which is very, very essential for ourselves to reach very close to our goal, then that habit will lead us to our goal, to lead us to our result, whatever we expected, whatever we desired, whatever we wanted. So how to develop that habit? And if we are trying to develop that habit, what exactly prohibiting us to take new actions? Why we are not able to change any existing habit, or why it is very, very difficult to inculcate new habits? What exactly happening inside our body? Scientifically, if we are thinking, it is nothing but the release of the dopamine. And in my Hindi video on my channel, like Hindi channel, I have discussed about it. So what exactly that dopamine? Dopamine is a chemical which release in our body whenever we do something which gives pleasure to us. And now these days people are so much talking about the detox of dopamine. Means how exactly you can stop those, or you can control those pleasurable activities in your body, so that you can focus more on your goal, more on your result. Because whenever we try to do something, like for an example, if I'm thinking like from tomorrow onwards I will keep studying for, say for example, 10 hours or 12 hours in a day. If I started doing it after 2-3 days, what exactly happens? Sometime in the evening or in the morning or during the study time, suddenly a thought comes in our mind, like maybe it is too boring, or I have studied too much, I should take a rest, I should go and watch a movie, or I should go and watch a video. So what exactly, maybe if I'm not going to watch it, but before that itself I think like, okay, it is going to be like, very good activity for me, because I feel very happy after watching the videos. So ultimately your body has released dopamine. So if we are able to control it up to some extent, then we will not be diverted from our scheduled work. That is called dopamine detox. So in this video I am going to discuss today what exactly the detox of dopamine and how it is helpful for developing new habits. So video is very, very important, so please watch it till end, share it with so many of your friends, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So just now I have explained in brief like what exactly the dopamine is and what exactly the dopamine detox now we are going to see. So dopamine detox is very much like the way we do fasting in our ancient time. How exactly we were doing the fasting at that time? When we were doing the fasting throughout the day, like if it is a window of 24 hours, for 24 hours if we are doing the fasting, we should not do any activity which gives pleasure to ourselves. For example, someone is very, very fond of eating something, someone is very, very fond of watching videos or watching TV, or someone is getting happier when they are talking to someone is very happy when they are doing some workout, or someone is very, very happy when they are going and meeting someone. So all these activities should be prohibited on the day of fasting. Even sleeping on a very relaxed mattress, very cushioned mattress, that also has been prohibited in our ancient time when we are doing the fasting. So these days in the modern era, the fasting meaning has completely changed. Now when we are doing the fasting, we are planning much in advance, like what exactly we are going to eat on that particular day, what different kind of food or fruits or different things we can try on that particular day. Even we sometime eat more than our regular days. So our fasting pattern has totally changed, and the mode of the fasting or the purpose of the fasting has also been changed completely. It is now, like earlier it was like something to relax our body so that our organs will work at optimum level and our mind and body will have a proper coordination when we do the fasting, and in that process our mind, willpower of our mind will also be strengthened. But these days the fasting definition has completely changed. Based on our convenience, we choose the time, we choose the food, we choose everything, and we don't stop all other activities. But our focus is mainly on the food, what exactly we are going to eat, and we never think about like fasting means ultimately avoiding any pleasurable activities, but due to our nature of work or the social media presence or the surroundings, it is very difficult, we are not doing it. So they have developed a new term that is called dopamine detox, and the ultimate idea of this dopamine detox is exactly the way we were doing the fasting in our ancient time. It is exactly same. So what exactly the dopamine detox is, we should not do anything which gives us any pleasurable feeling during that day. Generally the duration or the window for this dopamine detox is 12-hour window or 24 hours window. Like for example, like morning 7 o'clock, if you're waking up and after that you decided like today it will be, I will detox the dopamine. So for 12-hour window till 7 o'clock in the evening, you will not eat anything, you will only drink water, and you will not watch any videos, you will not watch any movies, you will not read any books, you will not do the heavy workouts which gives you very satisfaction, you will not go and visit some malls or do shopping, you will not go and talk to your friends too much, you will not use the phone on that day to talk for talking purpose or any other thing. You can read, you can meditate, you can do mild exercises, you can do the daily course of your house, but anything which is very mild in nature that will not give any kind of satisfaction or release of dopamine in your body. So that is the ultimate idea behind it. And why we are doing it? Because if we are thinking like what is stopping us to achieve our goal or building a new habit is nothing but switching off from one activity to another activity when we are doing something. If I'm going for shopping, immediately in our mind comes like instead of shopping, why not I should go and have a cold drink? Because the moment we are seeing the cold drink or we think about the cold drink, a very good feeling comes from our mind. Like when we are uploading something, we are thinking like how many likes I'm getting on the Facebook and all those things. The like button itself is a dopamine release factor. So if we are detoxing it, means ultimately we are increasing our willpower, and that willpower we are increasing by restricting all the pleasurable activities for 12 hours or for 24 hours. But for few people, even for I have not tried yet, and I cannot share with you what my experience is, but small detox I can do, like I have done in a very small fraction. Like sometime if I'm thinking to go and eat something, I restrict my feeling, I restrict my will to go there and eat something. So those small things I have done, but detox window for 12 hours or 24 hours I have not yet done, so I cannot share with you my exact experience. But I'm planning to do that. Let's see when I'm going to do that. If I will do, definitely I will share my experience with you also. But if you're thinking from a scientific point of view, what exactly the idea behind it? So ultimately our willpower is the one thing which will help us to develop any new habit, and we are very weak in that as a human being. And now due to the circumstances, or you can say the surroundings, we are very weak in our willpower. We have willpower for all other things, but we don't have the willpower to develop a new habit or change something which is not good for us. So in that process, what I suggest, or whatever the research I have done, after that I came to know, like we can do the small changes, we can do small things in our life. For example, if you're reading something and immediately after reading for say like 1 hour, 1.5 hour, you immediately one thought comes in your mind, like I should go and watch a video, I should go and listen to a song, maybe it will give me, because I'm feeling little bored, and if I watch the video I will feel happy. So ultimately you want a dose of dopamine. If you restrict yourself from watching videos or listening to song, ultimately you are going to increase your willpower, and slowly when you started doing it, what will happen over the period of time, your willpower will ultimately increase. If you're going somewhere and ultimately it comes in your mind like I should do this shopping, instead of this I should purchase that also. So your vision was something different, you came out from your house to purchase a particular item, but when you are going into market, something attracted you and immediately the dopamine released in your body, and you started investing your spending your money on that. So if you're restricting yourself at that time, you are increasing your willpower, and slowly gradually, when you're doing it for so many of activities, ultimately your willpower will increase. And if you are good with that, you can try to the window of 24 hours or 12 hours. Whatever the review I have seen, because I have not done personally, but whatever the review I have, read about dopamine detox, people have said like their willpower has increased a lot and they are more focused after doing this. So, and their priorities are well defined now, because they know how to control and which activity should be controlled to, for the betterment of their life. So maybe I'm also thinking to do this, and if you are also thinking to do this, just try this and share your experience with me in the comments, and I will also make a video if I'm doing the dopamine detox for 12 hours or 24 hours, like what's my experiences. So hope it is clear what exactly the dopamine detox is. And if you like the video, please share this video with so many of your friends. Okay, thank you. We'll see you in the next video.